Increased regulatory scrutiny, lack of integrated systems, data integrity, and rules-based monitoring systems have led to increased operational burden on financial institutions, requiring a higher level of diligence and resources to maintain an effective AML compliance program. As a result, traditional AML compliance departments have ballooned in size in an effort to keep pace with regulatory requirements. The transaction monitoring process is one such operational area within AML compliance that has seen a significant increase in effort needed to maintain compliance. Additionally, system and data integrity concerns coupled with manual tasks have led to both inefficient and ineffective processes. As the transaction data moves from the front-end system to the transaction monitoring system, it goes through multiple intermediary systems and may lose its integrity. Lack of data integrity increases the number of false positives in the alerted transactions. Additionally, no single view exists of the customer, which leads to multiple alerts for the same customers and increased false positives. Lack of data aggregation across multiple source systems is one of the many reasons for this. Many transaction monitoring systems are rules-based and often do not identify relationships between and across transactions. These systems also do not segment customers effectively. Absent effective segments, the thresholds are not targeted enough, which adds to the volume of false positives. Alerts are typically generated with the same level of priority. Alert scoring often does not exist. Information on counterparties in the transactions may not be available, and this information is often required to be obtained through formal requests to the relationship managers or the bank branches, adding to the overall time to complete an investigation. The application of artificial intelligence to transaction monitoring programs can greatly reduce the multiplication of effort and costs involved with maintaining a robust AML compliance program. By applying machine learning methodologies to the back-end transaction systems, the technology can analyze transactions and identify additional relationships by linking structured and unstructured customer data attributes that may be available in internal and external systems to create a single customer view, which allows for intelligent alert aggregation. Machine learning, applied to transaction monitoring systems, allows for the creation of dynamic customer segmentation. In the current state, customer segments are created using static data points, requires resources with data analysis backgrounds, and are performed as a point-in-time activity. AI-based customer segmentation can be more dynamic and inherently leverages more data attributes while leveraging customer and transactional data. These dynamic segments essentially allow for targeted thresholds, which in turn allow for a better alert set, hence potentially reducing the noise in the alerted transactions. Machine learning techniques can also be applied to the transaction monitoring process to scan transactions and identify risk attributes within alerts, leading to a more productive alert set and allowing investigators to better triage such alerts. This results in a higher alert quality with multiple relationships identified for the investigators. Visual analytics such as link analysis can also assist investigators in their investigation. Further, the alerts can be risk-scored, which allows analysts to perform risk-based due diligence on the alerts. This reduces the time and effort necessary to investigate each type of alert and also allows investigators to prioritize alert investigations based on the perceived level of suspicious activity. Protiviti views the application of artificial intelligence and machine learning to transaction monitoring as one part of a next-generation AML compliance program. Protiviti brings subject matter expertise and knowledge of the evolving RegTech vendor landscape to assist our clients at every step of the digital compliance transformation journey. We identify inefficiencies and work with our clients to build sustainable AML solutions and develop a streamlined and effective AML compliance program. Speak to one of our experts today or visit protiviti.com/AML to learn more.